First, let me show you guys what the chairs currently look like and what it looks like in here. I don't think I'm going to actually be keeping these two trees. I think I'm going to try to return them back to the store. I've had them for a while, but I still have the tag on them because I wasn't 100% sure on them, and now I'm like, nah, not with the direction I'm going in. Like, I would rather a really lightweight tree that doesn't have like a whole bunch of branches and leaves, and maybe not even that tall. So we are going to change that up, but I wanted you guys to see what the table looked like. I'm thinking about actually doing something clever to this table. I was thinking about like maybe epoxying it, or epoxy, however you say that word, or painting it black. Not really sure. I'm gonna check out what it looks like with the chairs. So let's go ahead and get that started.
But it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make believe? What's it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Had a vision.
Okay guys, so I have I was gonna actually end the video with adding the new chairs, but I actually was out at Home Depot looking for some chair rail molding. I ordered some wood online so that I can actually do some chair rail molding around here, and I actually found these samples at Home Depot, and they're pretty much all the molding that you need. You just place them on the wall, add your chair rail molding to it, and yeah, like you just have to do your cutouts and, you know, even it up. But we're gonna see if this looks good. I'm not sure if the lighting is great right now. We're gonna see if that looks good. I think it's gonna look amazing. So I'm gonna just set this up and show you guys what it looks like. I may or may not paint it right now. Add the chairs, the new chairs to the table. I am going to be redoing the table here. I was just painting, trying to see if I want to paint it this color. I think I'm gonna do it in a concrete color because this is the inspiration behind that. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with adding this molding piece to the surrounding of the walls in here, and I shall let you guys know how it turns out.
I
don't think this is the best lighting, but we finished with the chair rail molding. I'm just like cleaning things up, doing a little sanding. I'm waiting on my caulk and, you know, the filler to dry. I have to caulk the bottom a little bit better, but I'm about to sweep up and then paint, and then I'll finish whatever we don't get finished today. I'll finish it another time next week. Where's the broom? It's like this stuff is so dusty.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much.
All right, y'all, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I wanted to let you guys know that I was actually thinking about, not thinking about, I think I'm going to be doing this the next few days, is changing this tabletop. I really want a concrete table, but I'm going to try with some chalk paint first, and then if that doesn't work out, I'll do the concrete. The next thing is adding some curtains, and I actually got two different kind. Let's see if you guys can get that. So this is like a linen color, the same color as the chairs almost, and this is more of a creamy off-white. I'm thinking I may need white curtains, but we'll see how it looks when I put them up. I'm going to do a art wall here, and I'm going to add a picture frame lighting. We're definitely going to be changing out the chandelier. I already have the chandelier, not impressed by it, but we'll see how it looks when I add it. And we're gonna go ahead and add the curtains on the next video. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what you think about the chair rail molding, as well as our new chairs from World Market. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.